Good evening, puppies. It's time for your dinner. Snack-ish. Yeah. Come on, everybody. Chocolate butt, you ready? There you go. You're making noises, you're ready. Mush, you're ready. Natira, you're ready. Kagali, you're ready. Yes, you are. Tune, you ready? He's ready. Topo, you ready? Alright. We did something a little unorthodox tonight. On a slice of toast, underneath, I put a fried piece of bologna, and then some romaine lettuce mixed with some ranch dressing, and some cucumber slices with a fried egg, and a slice of tomato. I don't think their palate, as quickly as they eat food, probably doesn't make any difference how stuff is mixed. I personally probably wouldn't eat an egg and salad mixed together. I don't know. Of course, I've had salad with eggs because I've been them before. But anyway, I don't know if I'd eat it this way. But I don't think they care. Yummy foods. Yummy foods. You guys ready? Yeah, I gotta watch my food here in a moment. I think that's good for a couple moments while we feed you guys. Alrighty, we'll get back to that in a moment. Kune. Come here, Mr. Kune. Look at him bouncing. He's just like, heck yeah. I want my food. I'm gonna go get that. Destroys it in seconds. My goodness, boy. Buddy, you gotta eat your greens, boy, okay? Gotta eat your greens. There you go. Oh my gosh, he actually almost ate it all. He almost actually ate it all. Don't drip on my phone. Ah! Ew. She was like right over my phone and dripping, and she did get some on there. It's screwing with the focus because of the slobber on there. Hang on a second. Oh, chuckle butt. Nasty. Stop, Kune. Now the focus is all screwed up because some kind of slobbering on my phone. Whatever, I'll have to deal for the moment. There it goes, it fixed it. Kagal, or Natira. There you go, mama. It's still screwing up. Some big old glob of slobber landed on the phone and it's affecting the screen. Ew. Moose. Yeah, now it's all zoomed in. There you go, Moose. Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can zoom out again. There we go. Still kind of screwed up, but it's kind of working. Kappa. There you go, Kappa. Oh my goodness. He just devours it. In seconds. There we go, Kagali. There you go, girl. Good girl. Yum, 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 yums. Ew. I don't know what Coco did, but whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna get over to my meal here really quick. I am making myself some yummy stuff. I haven't had myself a beef steak in a while, since beef prices seem to be going up all the time. But that is a chuck eye steak. Very, very good cut of steak for very cheap. I think I paid like $3 for that steak. Not too bad. And I tossed it in here with some yummy portobello mushrooms I'm frying up. And a couple of slices of some yummy bacon. Can't go wrong with that. With some bacon. It's going to heat up here in a moment. Going. Yummy goodness. And then over here, I prepped these earlier. I probably should open the bag. Give me a second here. Alright. I prepped these fries earlier from watching somebody on YouTube to make some crispy fries. And they're basically just Idaho and sweet potatoes, thin cut. And then I soaked them in water for like 10 minutes to get all the starch out of them, dried them off, and then I made a mixture of water and oil and sugar and soaked them in a bath for like 10 minutes in that. And then I got them out and dried them off a little bit And then I've already pre-cooked them for like 2.5 to 3 minutes in grease. I let them cool down and then I froze them. And then you're supposed to put them in the back in the grease for like 6 or 7 minutes. And they should turn out nice and crispy. I guess that's what they say they're supposed to happen. I'll get that in a moment. All right. Yummy, yummy. Back to this yumminess. This steak is just about done. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. And my light underneath the microwave died on me a couple weeks ago, and I haven't fixed it. So I haven't been doing a whole lot of videos up close on the stove. That and it's nasty. I need to clean it. I got all that gunk underneath as it falls. That's why I put foil down. Just fold the foil up and it's clean underneath. Put down some more foil and you're good to go. Anyway, let me finish this up and I'll be back as soon as it's done. Oh yeah, this is actually only about 3 minutes. So apparently I guess it depends on the temperature of the grease. I guess on a lower heat it takes 7 minutes, but if I left these in for another 4 minutes they'd be black. Not too shabby. This thing turned out really nice. Oh, really nice. Oh yeah, nice and crispy too. Heck yeah. Be right back. Alright. And this is done. That's a yummy looking steak. Maybe a little bit overcooked, but it's not horrible. And a couple strips of bacon. Oh yeah. Those yummy portobello mushrooms. Oh yeah. Now that is a yummy looking meal. Heck yeah. Haven't had a meal this good in a while. I've been lazy. Haven't been cooking anything great. So, alright. Well, I'm hungry, guys. I'm gonna get to it. You guys have a good night. And we'll see you next time. They're all like, where's our steak at? You guys might get a sliver, because there's no way I'm going to eat it all. Moose. Come here, Moose. Bye, Moose.